Annyeonghaseyo, nice.
안녕하세요.
How are you?
I'm okay.
So since you were not around during the live event of Segunda area last April 2, please receive your allowance first from Chusungjin Team Jangnim 1,000 pesos
조승진님 감사합니다.
and 500 pesos from Kalibrunim.
칼리브님 감사합니다.
Bye, nice.
Bye.
So you are the auntie of Cyrene. Okay. So since her mom and is in the hospital taking care of her brother. Okay, so you are the one who watching Cyrene siblings and her house and her house. So she have 2 bugas and also 1 box of gin ramen, spam 10, can 1, choco pie 2, and lastly milk. Okay, these are the donations of Cyrene from the office. Okay, 감사합니다. Bye bye. 안녕하세요, Malin sister. Okay, so since Malin have a mission, she went to Mang Inasal Mukbang, so she have 1 sack of 25 kilos of rice from Maayong Buntag Nim. Okay.
Maayong Buntag.
Okay. Kamsahamnida. And please take video ha kung maabot si Malin after. Okay, bye bye.